I'd like to first of all congratulate HyderabadHospitals.com and Siri Pharma for organizing this wonderful event to spread the message about organ donation. 10 years ago, we started this organ donation fortnight, organ donation week from Mohan Foundation side without the government's involvement. The second week of August, we thought we will do it as an organ donation week. And that's how we have been doing it all over the country. And the genesis of this organ donation day happened when we started talking to Times of India in Delhi. And they said they wanted to be with the I Lead India campaign to start sensitizing people about organ donation. Why actually we are doing a sensitization about organ donation? The statistics say that there are so many lakhs of people waiting with kidney failure, liver failure, heart failure, and so many with heart valve anomalies, and of course now with lung failure. So many patients are actually waiting for transplant. And we started Mohan Foundation in 1997. At that time, it was only new that, the Transplantation of Human Organs Act was passed. At that time, nobody ever knew about organ donation or that the law actually exists. And that's when the founder of Mohan Foundation started Mohan Foundation in Chennai. Mohan is an acronym for Multi-Organ Harvesting Aid Network. What is the situation in our country? It is 0.16 per million population. As you can see in the world, in the map of India, the organ donation activity is mostly associated to the south or a little bit to the west of India. Very little activity with regard to the northern part or the northeastern part of India. So we have large transplant centers also in most of the southern states of the country. So 0.16 is per million population is the organ donation rate in our country. Prior to Tamil Nadu starting the organ donation program actively from 2008, it was only 0.08 per million population. When you look at Tamil Nadu, like last year there have been 83 multi-organ donors. Tamil Nadu national average is almost 10 times that of the national average. When you look at Andhra Pradesh, we've done with Mohan Foundation, we started our work in 2002. And with Jivandan's introduction in 2013, so far we have done more than 1,000 organs, Hema. More than 1,000 organs and tissues during the last 11 years. Well, what we have been doing so far is to create awareness about organ donation, to counsel families of brain death victims when a brain death occurs in the hospitals, to counsel and motivate the families for organ donation. We also train transplant coordinators to counsel the families, to sensitize the families and motivate them to donate their loved ones' organs. And if all these organ donations have happened, it's all because of the efforts of these wonderful transplant coordinators who work around the clock. So these are the programs that we have done during the last several years. But all of this is not enough. We haven't even touched the tip of the iceberg. We have to work extensively to make this program happen, because if we don't do that, there are several patients who will die while on waiting list, and that is already happening. Kidney patients can afford to be on dialysis, but for liver and heart and lungs patients, they'll die a silent death. On one hand, we have the best of doctors that we are seeing today, the trained doctors who are second to none in our country. The best of technology is available, transplants are possible. We've seen that the results are possible, the results are very good, results are best as compared to the international standards. We have the best of hospitals, but what is lacking is the donor organ. As the gentleman who spoke prior to me, he said that he is a liver donor. He donated his part of the liver to his father because he couldn't get a cadaver donor on time. I also stand here as a donor family. I donated my son's my 19-year-old son's organs 9 years ago when he was, he met with an accident and was declared brain dead. All his organs were donated. As a donor family and as the country head of Mohan Foundation, I ask of you, all the media people, to help us spread the message about organ donation. This is a wonderful cause. Every Indian needs to participate in this wholeheartedly. Thank you.